I've been with Merit Roofing for April will be 11 years. I've been a project manager for the entire 11 years. I've been in roofing since 1997. I've been working with Carlisle products since I started at Merit in 05. It was important to this building owner that the roof looked like a new roof when we were finished with it, and so we went with the APEEL to keep the the appearance of the roof clean after we were finished with the job. This is our first job with the APEEL. Our local Carlisle rep recommended APEEL to us and told us about it when it became available in the market, and at first we were a little skeptical. Just an extra step on the project seemed like a lot of unnecessary labor for the job, going to make it work slower around the details, but we found that none of that was true, and it's really, really easy to work with. It's a piece of cake. The liner pulls off extremely easily. Even today's a rainy day, and the APEEL pulled off easily, no problem. There's definitely jobs where owner is particular about appearance, and that's important to some people, and so we had to go back and spend lots and lots of hours cleaning the roof afterward, and it's an expensive endeavor.